Welcome to this tutorial on eToro fees, where we will explore the benefits and importance of understanding the fees associated with using the eToro platform. As a leading online trading platform, eToro provides users with a wide range of financial instruments to trade, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. First, it is essential to understand that eToro fees are charged to cover the costs of maintaining the platform, providing customer support, and ensuring the security of user transactions. The fees are typically deducted from the user's account balance and are usually a small percentage of the transaction amount. One of the primary reasons to use eToro fees is that they provide a transparent and predictable cost structure. Unlike some other trading platforms, eToro fees are clearly outlined and easily accessible, allowing users to plan and manage their trading activities effectively. For example, eToro charges a spread fee on forex trades, which is the difference between the buy and sell prices of a currency pair. Another reason to use eToro fees is that they are competitive with other trading platforms. eToro's fees are often lower than those charged by traditional brokerage firms, making it an attractive option for traders who want to minimize their costs. Additionally, eToro offers a range of account types, including a free demo account, which allows users to practice trading without incurring any fees. To get the most out of eToro fees, it is crucial to understand the different types of fees associated with the platform. These include overnight fees, which are charged on positions held overnight, and inactivity fees, which are charged on accounts that have been inactive for an extended period. By understanding these fees, users can adjust their trading strategies to minimize their costs and maximize their returns. Best practices for using eToro fees include regularly reviewing and adjusting your trading strategy to ensure that you are not incurring unnecessary fees. It is also essential to take advantage of eToro's educational resources, which provide users with valuable insights and tips on how to trade effectively and minimize fees. In conclusion, eToro fees are an essential aspect of using the eToro platform, and understanding them is crucial for successful trading. By providing a transparent and competitive fee structure, eToro allows users to trade with confidence and minimize their costs. By following best practices and staying informed about eToro fees, users can get the most out of the platform and achieve their trading goals.